All right, crypto family. It looks like we could be seeing potentially notice I'm hedging my bets a little bit, right? The end of the government shutdown. We did and have had some positive news coming out of last night, Sunday, moving into today. I'm going to share that with you. We're going to talk about its impact for you on your crypto. We got XRP surging right now, up 9+%. The overall crypto market was in the green pretty significantly early today. It's pulled back a little bit. We're going to take a look at everything, and we're going to have a discussion around what this government shutdown means to you. Also, we're going to talk about after the last government shutdown ended back in 2018, what happened to crypto? Actually, you're going to want to stick around for that because that's significant. We could be seeing some significant rallies here, north of 100+%, maybe moving up. So again, good stuff here. So let's jump into this and take a look. So as I said, real quickly, let's take a look at what's going on. So the overall market, it's up 1.65%. Bitcoin back up over 105,000. Ethereum back up over 3,500 plus. XRP out of the gate as far as the kind of the top blue chip altcoins up 9+%. So good stuff going on there. And you can see it's pretty much in the top 20 XRP. Then there you go. Stellar XLM moving up nicely, 8+%. HBAR, man, the ISO compliant cryptos are moving really, really nice. Okay. So let's take a look at what's going on. So as I mentioned, we coming out of Sunday night did get some positive movement, some positive news for the ending of the government shutdown right here in the green. A new bill was released Sunday night, late Sunday, quickly advanced in a key Senate procedural vote after enough Democrats joined with Republicans to avoid a filibuster. Now moving on. Okay. So the shutdown has disrupted federal services, delayed the release of key economic data, including all of the data we need, like the CPI and the PPI. These are reports we need that the Federal Reserve needs for, what do they do about the interest rate, things of this nature. So that's throwing some doubt into that arena. We can talk about that in a minute. Here in the red, so remember in the green. So the new bill was released late Sunday, quickly advanced in a key procedural vote, basically allowing it to move forward. In the red is next up, the bill is for a vote for final passage in the Senate. Okay. Though its fate in the House remains uncertain. So it has to pass the Senate and then it goes to the House. It has to pass the House. Okay. There you go. So in the orange, while it would reopen the government through January 30th, among other funding provisions, the deal lacks any immediate vote on the extension of healthcare subsidies earlier demanded by Democrats. So the stock market and the market is actually reacting fairly well to this. The Dow's up 177. Let me make sure you guys can see this right above my head. The Dow's up 177. The Nasdaq's up 458. So again, the stock market really, really reacting nicely to this potential news of ending the government shutdown, which I think we're in 39 days right now. The last one was in 2018, went 35 days. Okay. So now we're going to jump and take a look at looking back what happened with the crypto market when the government shutdown did end, because this is pretty significant in how it could potentially impact your crypto. So the last time the government opened after shutdown, Bitcoin made a 5-month rally, surging by over 300%. So the government shutdown last time ended on January 25th, 2019. And look at what happened to Bitcoin after that. Look at that significant 300% rally over a period of 5 months. Pretty significant. Now, okay, let's call this what this is. Will crypto go up after the government shutdown ends? Yes. And that we got a glimpse of that today when this news broke that the bill passed a procedural vote and is kind of moving forward. Okay, that's number one. Number two, the only issue I have, and then I'm kind of being glass half full, half empty, kind of both sides of the coin here, and that'll make sense, is that if you look at crypto in 2018, crypto was predominantly a retail-driven market. Retail investors, you and I are retail, okay? There really wasn't a lot of institutional capital. There really wasn't anything of significance as far as institutional investment. There were no Bitcoin ETFs. There were no Ethereum ETFs, so forth and so on. Institutions really did not hold at all crypto on their balance sheets, so forth and so on. This market is different, okay? Do I think that crypto can go up 300% after the government shutdown ends? I think that would be amazing. Do I really believe that that could happen? I'm going to hedge my bets a little bit. Do I think it'll go up? Absolutely. But do I think it'll go up 300%? No, because we're in a different world now. There is a tremendously different market dynamic, and there's a lot of institutional money in the crypto market now. Again, and all those kind of things. And ironically, there's not a lot of retail money in crypto right now. Retail left the building in December of 2024 and have really not returned. I'm talking about millions of investors across the globe representing hundreds of billions of dollars of investment capital. It's simply not here. Okay. Which, quite frankly, is one of the reasons we see a lot of market manipulation. We've talked about this in various videos. Okay, by the way. Okay, so with that, again, I'm just kind of laying we're having this discussion, right? So do I think it'll go up? Absolutely. Do I think it'll go up 300%? And I would love for that, but I just think we're in a little bit different. We're in a significantly different, not a little bit, significantly different market dynamic now, with a lot of institutional capital here and not a lot of retail capital. Now, if we start to see green candles and everything starts to really rally and run up, like we start to see Bitcoin just go boom, 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 boom up, and all the major altcoins start to go up, guess what's going to happen? Retail is going to come back massively. Okay. So we've got to get through the key vote in the Senate, and then we've got to get through the vote in the House to get this thing passed, to get the government reopened. And I think we will, again, we got a glimpse today. We will see what plays out as far as I think the market will go up tremendously. Okay. So I want to make you aware, I've got a trading indicator out there. It literally costs about $1.15 a day. Look at this. This is how you can make money with it. It's a buy alert. No sell alert yet for Zcash. 48 days ago, it gave a buy alert, 1,372%. $1,000 put in here right now on this buy alert, your profit would be over $13,729 profit. Okay. By the way, ICP 9 days ago, buy alert here, 139+%. This is soon. This one just ran. Look at this. I want to show you. See this right here? Momentum up. That's the buy alert. And see this little blue green box? The buy alert was issued on that green box right before. Look at this massive green candle that happened. So let me show you that. That is a 139% move up. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then there was a sell alert. That's what the red box is. See that sell alert came in, said, hey, sell. The market turned. And then there was another buy alert coming in, and we're up another 48+%. Okay. All in, you can see from here to here, 232+%. Okay. That's what the software does. It tells you when to buy, it tells you when to sell. And look, the market's about to turn and take off. How'd you like to get, you need to get in on this right now. And by the way, the prices are cheaper than you see on the screen here with that discount code. There's a link in the description below. Check it out. Go get it. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So you're protected by that. I have live training in the members area 3 times a week. Yeah, live training. Ask questions. They help you set it up. All this kind of stuff. It's easy to set up, by the way. Tune it, tweak it, get it where it's really, really working for you. Help you make even more profit in crypto and all that kind of stuff. And by the way, you can use it for stocks as well. Okay. So with that, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Thank you for watching. Links are right down there to go pick up the trading indicator. It is X1 Algo. It's literally about $1.15 a day. Yeah. Okay. See you.